Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to take a look at 100 Jack's Master Beard Care Kit. I don't need to tell you that purchasing beard care products individually can get expensive. If you're in the market for a high quality, affordable beard care kit, then I would definitely give 100 Jack's Master Beard Care Kit a second look. But why should you choose this set over others? Well, it comes with a handmade beard comb with a leather strap, a 1 ounce compact beard soap, which is perfect travel size, and of course no set would be complete without a beard conditioning balm. Now 100 Jack is known for their fresh scents, and this is no exception. This stuff is very good at conditioning your hair and keeping it protected throughout the day. This package is only $17.95 and is a great way to get your foot in the front door. I recommend using the soap 2 to 3 times per week, followed by a combing out of any tangles before applying a dime-sized amount of beard balm to your beard. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out 100 Jack's shop for all your beard care needs. Beard on.